Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very different one, but before we go ahead, please always make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be doing the installation video of the DIY miracle knot I did. I'm going to be doing the installation for you guys because I do see comment like, where's the final result, where's the final look, where is the video of your installation, all those things. And I want to say one thing, guys. Any DIY tutorial I bring to this channel, if the DIY tutorial does not work out, I will not drop the video. My DIY are always on point. When you achieve it at home, it's going to come out as you see it in the video if you follow the step. So always trust my DIY. This page, make sure you subscribe because this page is a trusted DIY hack page. So I'm always proud of my work. I'm proud of myself. If I want to achieve something, I put my mind in it. I work towards it. So always trust my DIY. Even if I don't drop the final result, just go ahead to achieve it. I'm here for you, queens. So that is it. Let's get right into the video.